Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about creating smarter while loops. We'll use a while loop and if statement to open all the switches. I'm going to skip the middle only if you want to pause the video and go to 1, 2, and 3, and then after that I'll go to the code. Add a while loop by tapping Y on the shortcut bar. To add a condition to make your character continue moving forward until it reaches the end of the third platform. 3. In your while loop, use an if statement to toggle only the closed switches, not the open ones. Now I'm going to do the code stuff, which we're going to say while is not blocked. We're going to say move forward first. Then after this, you're going to say if is on closed switch, toggle the switch. And this is not really smart, but it's smart enough. So I'm going to be running the code. He's going to just go crazy collecting all of these toggles. I don't think, but he's going to get tired. So he's going to take a very long time either way. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!